Happy morning, my dear students. Welcome to the active mathematics again. Now, what I am doing today, the questions from your NCERT book, exercise 7.2. I have given you so many questions in my previous lecture of the coordinate geometry. Now, I want to continue the exercise 7.2. The question based on the section formula. See, x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y is equal to m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. This is called the section formula. X is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2 and y is equal to m1y2 plus m2y1 upon m1 plus m2. Now I am taking question number 1 of your exercise 7.2. See, find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of -1, 7. So A point is -1, 7 and B point is 4, -3 and the ratio is 2:3. The ratio is 2:3. Let us see now. So x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. I hope this is clear to you. X is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2. This is your x1 y1 and this is your x2 y2 and the ratio is given to you 2:3. So x is equal to m1 means 2 into x2 means 4 plus m2 x1. m2 is 3 into x1 is -1 upon m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3. This is 2 plus 3. So x is equal to 4 to the 8 minus 3 upon 5. So is equal to 5 upon 5. The answer x is equal to 1. Now you have to find the value of y. So y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. So y is equal to m1 means 2 into y2 means -3, okay, plus 3 into 7 upon m1 plus m2. 2 plus 3 means 5. Y is equal to m1 y2. m1 means 2, y2 means -3 and m2 y1. It means m2 is 3 and y1 is 7. 2 plus 3 means m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 3 5. So y is equal to -6 plus 7 is 21 upon 5. So y is equal to 21 minus 6 means 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. Okay. Now what is the value of x? You already got, and this is the value of y. Y is equal to 3. Now next question. Next question is find the coordinates of the point trisection. Question number 2. Question number 2. Trisection of the line 4, -1 and -2, -3 and the ratio is given to you trisection. The trisection means 2:1. It means this is m1, this is m2. Okay, 2:1 और you can write 1:2. and जैसे मान लो एक चॉकलेट है तो एक चॉकलेट के आपने 3 हिस्से किए. If you divide into one piece of chocolate into 3 pieces, it means किसी को यदि 2 दे दिए, 2 पीस दिए और किसी को 1 दिया, तो ये हो गया 2:1, और किसी को एक पीस दिया और इसको 2 पीस दे दिए, तो ये हो गया आपका 1:2. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ 2:1. इट मीन्स ट्रांजैक्शन. इज इट क्लियर? नाउ x is equal to m1 x2. m1 means 2, x2 means -2. m1 x2 plus m2 x1. m2 is 1 into x1 is 4 upon m1 plus m2. 2 plus 1 3. So x is equal to 2 to the -4 plus 4 upon 3. It means x is equal to 0 upon 3. It means 0. The value of x is equal to 0. So again I want to tell you x is equal to, what is the formula? X is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 1 will be 3. m1 is 2 into x2 is -2 plus m1 is 1 and x2 is 4. So it will be -4 plus 4. It means 0 upon 3 means 0. So now find the value of y. So y is equal to m1 y2. m1 means 2 into y2 means -3 plus m2 y1 1 into this is -1 upon 2 plus 1 m1 plus m2 means 3. So y is equal to -6 -1 upon 3. So you can write y is equal to -7 upon 3. Okay, now just you note down, this is question number 2 of exercise 7.2. Okay, this is -7 comma 3, and first you have got the value of x equal to 0. Now if you are taking the ratio 1:2, so 1:2. 1:2 means again, because first you have done by 2:1, now you have to do by 1:2. So x is equal to m1 x2. This is your m1, this is your m2. m1 x2, m1 means 1 into x2 means -2 plus m2 means 2 into x1 means 4 upon m1 plus m2. m1 plus m2 means 2 plus 1 means 3. So x is equal to -2 plus 8 upon 3. So x is equal to 8 minus 2 means 6 upon 3 means 2. The value of x is equal to 2. I hope this is clear to you. Now you have to find the value of y. So y is equal to m1 y2. m1 means 1 into y2 means -3 plus m2 y1, 2 into -1 upon 2 plus 1 means 3. So y is equal to -3 -2 upon 3. So y is equal to -5 upon 3. This is the answer. Now the next question. Next question is question number 4. Question 4. Find the ratio in which, find the ratio, it means you have to find the ratio. Line segment joining the points. So A is -3 comma 10 and B is 6 comma -8. 6 comma -8 and -3 comma 10. Divided by -1 comma 6. Find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3 comma 10 and 6 comma -8 is divided by minus 1 comma 6. Okay, now let us see. It is divided by this, and now you have to find the ratio. So let ratio is k is to 1. Let the ratio is k is to 1. Now you can apply the formula x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2 is divided by this point. It means x is minus 1 given to you. Minus 1 is equal to m1 x2. m1 is k into x2 means 6 plus 1 into m1 x2 plus m2 x1. x1 is minus 3 upon k plus 1, and this is minus 1 given to you. So minus 1 into k plus 1 means minus k minus 1 is equal to 6k minus 3. Now transfer k here. So minus k minus 6k is equal to minus 3 plus 1. So minus 7k is equal to minus 2. So k is equal to 2 upon 7. It means the ratio is k is to 1. The ratio is 2 upon 7. 2 is to 7. Or even if you can find the value of our y also, you will get the same ratio. The ratio is k is equal to 2 upon 7. Now question number 5. Question 5 is find the ratio in which the line segment joining. So A is 1 comma minus 5 and B is minus 4 comma 5 is divided by x-axis. Divided by x-axis. Now you have to find the ratio. You have to find the ratio. A is 1 comma minus 5 and B is minus 4 comma 5 is divided by the x-axis. I have told you in my previous lecture, यदि पॉइंट x एक्सिस पे है इसका मतलब y कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, और यदि पॉइंट y एक्सिस पे है इट मींस x कोऑर्डिनेट इज 0. बट नाउ अकॉर्डिंग टू क्वेश्चन they divided by x axis, it means the y coordinate will be 0. So now you put y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2 at point on the x axis. It means y equal to 0. 0 is equal to m1 y2 and the ratio you have considered k is to 1. It means k into y2. y2 means 5 plus m1 y2 plus m2 y1. y1 means minus 5 upon m1 plus m2. It means k plus 1. See the formula. Y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. m1 is k because you have taken the ratio is k is to 1. So k into y2 is 5 plus 1 into minus 5 upon k plus 1. And when you transfer k plus 1 here, it becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 5k minus 5. So 5k is equal to 5. So you can write k is equal to 1. It means the ratio is 1 is to 1. Or I can write here, if you cannot see here. 5k minus 5 equal to 0. It means 5k is equal to 5. So ratio is k is equal to 1 is to 1. It means you can write ratio is k is to 1. It means 1 is to 1. Okay. Now next question. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Question. This is a parallelogram. If 1, 2 A, B, C and D. If 1, 2 4, y x, 6 D is 3, 5. And now you have to find the value of x and y. You have to find the value of x and y. This is a parallelogram. The parallelogram, it means it is a very important question from board point of view. ABCD is a parallelogram, and you know diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. This is one diagonal, this is another diagonal. Say this point is O. Okay? And diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other. इसका मतलब इसका जो रेशियो है वो हमेशा क्या होगा? 1:1. इसका रेशियो हो गया 1:1. इसका रेशियो हो गया 1:1. The formula is x is equal to m1x2 plus m2x1 upon m1 plus m2, and the ratio is 1:1. So 1:1 means here 1, here 1. So x1 plus x2 upon m1 plus m2. It means x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So similarly y is equal to, the ratio is 1:1. मान लो इसकी लेंथ यदि आपकी 6 सेंटीमीटर है, तो डायगोनल ऑफ ए पैरेललोग्राम बाइसेक्ट ईच अदर, यानी आपका हो जाएगा 3/3. तो 3/3 मीन रेशियो 1:1. मान लो यदि ये 8 हुआ तो ये आपका 4 हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा 4. तो 4/4 मीन्स 1. इट मीन अल्टीमेटली इट विल बी द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस डायगोनल and the midpoint of this diagonal. These both parts are equal. This and this, this and this. It means the ratio is 1:1. So x formula will be now x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. Now let us see. Now suppose the coordinates of O is a comma b. The coordinates of O is a comma b. तो इसके कारण अपन कोऑर्डिनेट्स निकाल देते हैं. तो 0, सॉरी, दिस कोऑर्डिनेट्स ऑफ O is a comma b. तो x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. Now x is, this is a, तो a is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. It means 3 plus 4 upon 2. It means 7 upon 2. Okay? Now b is equal to this plus this upon 2, y1 plus y2 upon 2. It means 5 plus y upon 2. So b is equal to 5 plus y upon 2 and a is equal to 7/2. ये डायगोनल BD के कारण हो गए, ड्यू टू डायगोनल BD. अब डायगोनल AC के कारण निकाल लेते हैं. तो a is equal to आपका हो जाएगा, a is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 और b is equal to आपका हो जाएगा, b is equal to 6 plus 2 upon 2 यानी 8 upon 2. ओके, नाउ यू कंपेयर. ये आपका भी a है और ये आपका a है. नाउ दोनों को कंपेयर कर दो. तो 7/2 is equal to x plus 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. So x is equal to 6. And here 8 upon 2. It means 8 upon 2 means 4 is equal to b. b is 5 plus y upon 2. It means 2 4 the 8. 8 is equal to 5 plus y. तो y is equal to हो गया आपका 3. तो आपके पास x और y की वैल्यू हो गई, x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. This is the solution. x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 3. I hope this is clear to everyone. Okay, because I apply here the concept diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, it means the ratio will be 1:1. Clear? Now next question. Question number 7 I am taking. Question 7. Find the coordinates of the point AB is a diameter. This is diameter A, O and B. Find the coordinates of point A. The center is given to you 2, -3. ये 2, -3 आपको दे के रखा है. And B is given to you 1, 4. और इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स मान दो आप x1, y1. It means you have to find the coordinates of x1 and y1. AB is a diameter, so OA will be the radius and OB will also be the radius. The ratio will be 1:1. If suppose मान लो रेडियस आपकी 5 सेंटीमीटर है, ये भी 5 हो गया, तो 5/5 means 1. The ratio will be 1:1. तो I can apply the formula of midpoints. See, x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So x means x is given to you 2 is equal to x1 means x1 plus x2 means 4. This is 1 upon 2. So 2 into 2 4. So 4 is equal to x1 plus 1. तो x1 is equal to 3. तो आपका एक पॉइंट हो गया x1 is equal to 3. Now you can find y. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So y is given to you -3 is equal to y1 means y1 plus y2 means 4 upon 2. So 4 2 is a 6. So -6 is equal to y1 plus 4. Transfer 4 here. So y1 is equal to -10. तो y1 की भी वैल्यू आपने निकाल दी, x1 की भी निकाल दी. Now you got the points. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Now one more question. Seven point two, question number 8. 7.2, question number 8. A and B are 2 points. A, B. This is point P. A is -2, -2. A is -2, -2 and B is 2, -4 and AP is equal to 3/7 of AB. AP, but ratio is not given to you. AP and this is PB. So when you have to find the value of, you have to find the coordinates of this point. तो AP और PB दोनों आपको पता होना चाहिए, but PB you do not know. ये 3/7 है, तो ये आपको निकालना पड़ेगा. लेट अस सी हाउ. AP plus PB. तो AP plus PB is equal to ए बी, ए पी प्लस पी बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी। तो इन प्लेस ऑफ ए पी की जगह पे आप ये लिख सकते हैं, यू कैन राइट 3ab अपॉन 7। तो 3ab अपॉन 7 प्लस पी बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी। तो पी बी इज इक्वल टू ए बी माइनस 3ab अपॉन 7। तो पी बी इज इक्वल टू 7 वन जा 7, इसके अपॉन पे 1 है, एलसीएम 7 आ जाएगा। 7 वन जा 7, 7ab माइनस 3ab, इट मीन्स 4ab अपॉन 7। तो पी बी आपका हो गया 4 अपॉन 7 ab। अब अपने को रेशियो चाहिए ए पी अपॉन पी बी, यू वांट ए पी अपॉन पी बी, इट मीन्स ए पी अपॉन पी बी इज इक्वल टू 3 अपॉन 7 ab अपॉन 4 अपॉन 7 ab। ए बी कैंसल, 7 कैंसल। तो आंसर ए पी अपॉन पी बी मीन्स 3 upon 4. It will be 3 and it will be 4. Ratio. This will be the 3 part. It will be the 4 part. Now I have to find the coordinates of point P. So x is equal to -2 comma -2, 2 comma -4. Now find the coordinates of this point P. So x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So x is equal to m1 3:4. So 3 m1 x2 into 2 plus m2 x1 4 into -2 upon 3 plus 4 7. So x is equal to 6 minus 8 upon 7. So x is equal to -2 by 7. 4 to the -8, 6 minus 8 -2 upon 7. And y is equal to m1 y2. m1 is 3 into y2 is -4 plus 4 into -2 upon 4 plus 3 7. So y is equal to -12 -8 upon 7. So y is equal to -20 upon 7. तो आपके पॉइंट्स हो गए -2 upon 7 कॉमा -20 upon 7. Now question number 9. x is -2 अपॉन इसका कोऑर्डिनेट हो गया -2 by 7 -20 by 7. Question number 9. Find the coordinates of the point. We divide the line segment joining in 4 equal parts. A, B, -2 comma 2, 2 comma 8. Let us see. It is divided in the 4 equal parts. यानी this equal to this equal to this equal to this. तो ये आपका मिड पॉइंट हो गया, ये आपका मिड पॉइंट हो गया. तो इन दोनों के कारण विद द हेल्प ऑफ these 2 points you can find the coordinates of this point. See how x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. तो ये हो गया आपका 2 minus 2. x is equal to -2 plus 2 upon 2. So x is equal to 0 and y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. 8 plus 2 upon 2 तो y इज इक्वल टू 10/2, तो y इज इक्वल टू 5। तो इस पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट्स हो गए आपके 0, 5। विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस 2 - 2 0, 0/2 मीन्स 0, 8 + 2 मीन्स 10, 10/2 मीन्स 5। अब इन दोनों से विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस आप इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी निकाल सकते हैं। कैसे? सेम फार्मूले से, x1 + x2/2, y1 + y2/2। तो 0 - 2 -2/2, तो ये आपका हो गया -1, और ये हो गया 5 + 2/2, इट मीन 7/2। अब इसके कारण, इन दोनों के कारण इसके निकाल लो। 0 + 2/2, इट मीन्स 1, 2/2 मीन्स 1, एंड 8 + 5 13, तो 13/2। तो आपके पॉइंट्स हो गए 1, 13/2, 2, 8, इसके हो गए -1, 7/2, -2, 2। Clear to everyone? This is all about your question number 9. Now next question, question number 10. B is 4, 5. C is -1, 4. और D is -2, -2. अब ये आपको देके रखा बेटा रोम्बस, ये आपको देके रखा रोम्बस, एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस रोम्बस। तो व्हाट यू विल डू, दिस इज योर वन डायगोनल, दिस इज अनदर डायगोनल। तो एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस क्या होता है? 1/2 d1 × d2, d1 एंड d2, और क्या? d1 है आपका AC और d2 है आपका BD। तो फर्स्ट व्हाट यू विल डू, यू हैव टू फाइंड डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स मीन 2 पॉइंट के बीच का डिस्टेंस कैसे निकालोगे? हाउ यू विल फाइंड? √x2 - x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 - y1 होल स्क्वायर। तो नाउ AC इज इक्वल टू √x2 - x1 होल स्क्वायर। तो ये -1 और ये 3, तो -1 और -3 होगा -4। -4 का स्क्वायर मीन्स 16। अब 4 - 0 16। डिस्टेंस बिटवीन 2 पॉइंट्स का फार्मूला क्या होता है? √x2 - x1 होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 - y1 होल स्क्वायर। तो -1 ये 3 हो गया -4, -4 का स्क्वायर 16, 4 - 0 4 का स्क्वायर 16, तो ये हो गया आपका √32। तो AC इज इक्वल टू √32। अब आप निकाल लो BD। BD इज इक्वल टू √x2 - x1 होल स्क्वायर। तो 4 - 2, 4 - 2 मीन्स माइनस करेंगे, तो माइनस माइनस बिकम प्लस, तो 6 का स्क्वायर प्लस 5 और ये -1, 5 + 1 बिकम 6। तो ये हो गया आपका √36 + 36, यानी हो गया आपका √72। तो एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस क्या होता है आपका? 1/2 d1 × d2। तो 1/2 एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस इज इक्वल टू 1/2 × AC × BD, यानी 1/2 × √32 × √72। तो 1/2 × √16 × 2 × √36 × 2, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका 1/2 इंटू 16 का स्क्वायर रूट 4 अंडर रूट 2, 36 का स्क्वायर रूट 6 अंडर रूट 2। तो ये हो गया आपका 4 6 24 इंटू 1/2 रूट 2 इंटू रूट 2 2 2 कैंसल, तो आंसर इज 24। You can write the 24 units, okay, because the area of rhombus is equal to 24 units. I hope all the questions are clear to you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you. Have a nice day. Now I am going to start the next concept of triangles. Now you will get my next lecture from active mathematics about the triangle. Thank you.